Hey friends, recently picked up a 6-inch Japanese pole saw for wood crafting projects. See how flexible that blade is? It cuts on the pole. It's got a razor tooth blade, softwood and hardwood. This is hardwood black cherry, and there's really not much of a difference. But the thing is with the pole saw I'm noticing is that you've got to keep your saw straight through this. See, if you bend it, then you're going to get a curvature in your wood and your cut. So keep that nice and straight. You can bend the blade, see that? See how I'm bending that through the cut? That's what makes this saw so versatile.